Waves.
If you come at my brother, that ain't no one-on-one. You gon' have to see me with or without a gun. We came up from poverty, shit, we still have fun. We move around these streets.
Hi guys, my name is Ozzy, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the Alexander Mcqeens sneakers.
So I gotta play smart. I've been getting dope cheese every time my phone ring. It's your
I got these from Jordan Wholesale Sneakers.ru. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to their website in the description. It's also going to be the top comment. It's going to be the pinned comment. So let's go ahead and get straight into the review. So here's the box. It's a white box with like these red lines and dots over it, and it says Alexander McQueen on the cover. And then right here on the size label, this is a European size 45, aka a US size 11 in men's. So go ahead and open it up real quick. With this cool dust bag, it says Alexander McQueen. So you know when you're traveling, you can put your shoes in them, which is pretty cool. And then it has like the Alexander McQueen logo right here on the back of the dust bag. So definitely gonna be using that for traveling. And then it has like the Alexander McQueen logo all over the wrapping paper. I think, nope, it has some extra laces as well. Some extra white laces. And then here's the other pair, the Alexander McQueen sneakers. It has like this little Alexander McQueen identification card. It's pretty cool. It's like, it's white on white, so it's kind of hard to pick up on camera. Right now I have the settings for a little higher overexposure, but that's not really the point here. Go ahead and put it on to the side. So, these shoes are very simple. As you can see, they give you a lot of height. Let me see, I have a ruler. I can actually measure how much height they give you. Let's see. Okay, here's your ruler. And basically, they give you like almost an inch and a quarter of height. I gotta show it right here. Yeah, like an inch and a quarter of height. It's pretty cool. Definitely something that for all my shorter guys out there, if you want to have extra height, wear some Alexander McQueens. And then it's this thick, chunky sole. It has the stitching right here around the toe box, as you can see. Right here, it's white. There's a little side sticker right here. I'll just peel that off real quick. We don't need that. And it has these perforations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the back, it says Alexander McQueen in this gold lettering. On this black leather. It's a nice smooth leather right here. And it has like this cool lacing system right here, where everything is just like straight across. And then on the tongue it also says Alexander McQueen in gold lettering. Same font as on the back heel. And on the inside it says Alexander McQueen in white. It's a little hard to pick up because of it's white on white, so it's harder to see. Then on the tongue area it has 559693, and then it has the size 45D, which is the European size. Let's see if I can get it to show up on the camera. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see, but yeah, it has the size number in there, in the European size. And these, they fit true to size. The only problem is, because of the way the shoes are factory laced, the laces make the shoes really tight, so you should definitely feel free to loosen the laces so that way they're more comfortable to wear. For sure, for sure. And Another cool thing about the soles, right here, it says Alexander Mcqeens in the middle, and like this rectangular block, and then it has this cool little design right here on the soles. Really like that. And the aglets are regular, just regular white aglets. The shoe literally only has 3 colors. It's mostly white. It has like the black trim right here, nice smooth leather, and then it has gold lettering on the tongue and on the heel. So very simple shoes. Let me go ahead and do a quick 360 for you guys so you can see the shoe again. So yeah, this is definitely a nice shoe. Very thick soles, smooth leather right here. Got the stitching all the way through here, and then five perforations on each side for breathability. And yeah, definitely gonna be loosening up the laces for these shoes so that way I can put my feet through them, because the way they are right now, it's kind of hard to put them on. So that'll be all for this video. On the next part, I'm going to show you guys how to do with different pairs of pants, so that way you can see how you want to style them. I'm going to go ahead and leave the company's information in the description. It's also going to be the pinned comment, so it'll be at the very top, the comment section. And on to the next part of the video, and I'm out. Peace.
Look how my diamonds glistening when they in the dark. Baby, you a star. I really like you cause you're really who you are. Look how my diamonds glistening when they in the dark. She said, ooh, look, I like your cars, push the start. Is you for me or him, or is you ours? I know he watching me, he reading hard. We go shopping in Rodeo, it's whatever in the cart. Girl, my credit card ain't maxing out, don't matter what's the charge. Tell my brother that I love you, I know he gon' take the charge. And I think that little boy reaching, throw that chopper at his heart. And I'm mad they get little tone, 100 years behind them bars. Me and Quan ain't talking much, he take too many Xanax bars. Don't really want your love, I'm trapping all day till the sun come up. If you say you want smoke when it's up, it's stuck. CG got bucks, he up, we up. Mama told me I was gonna be a champion, and that chopper hit hard, go to dun dun dun. And that chopper hit hard, go to dun dun dun. Baby, you a star. I really like you cause you're really who you are. Look how my diamonds glistening when they in the dark. She said, ooh, look, I like your cars, push the start. Is you for me or him, or is you ours? I know he watching me, he reading hard. We go shopping in Rodeo, it's whatever in the cart. Girl, my credit card ain't maxing out, don't matter what's the charge. Yeah. Somebody tell my brother, tell us, Trinket finger stop it. Tell us, Trinket finger stop it. Yeah, Trinket finger stop it. Grease. Always praying for my brother, cause that boy, he be too greasy. Plain Jane Paddock on my wrist and on my chest, I'm BVV. Let's say a prayer for my Brody, he is slime, yeah, for free. Let's say a prayer for my Brody, he is slime, yeah, for free. I bet I'm there when you need me, but tell me, is you there for me? I need a bust down on my wrist, I'm charging 24 feet. I tell my baby that I love her and I'm thankful for a feature. I love the glizzy, love the features, high sound and high spot. I had a 30 in New York, we was trapping after dark. She said that I'm too paranoid, but I'm watching out for shots. My brother made 100 bands, he steady watching out for knocks. SRT on the seas, fast lane, yeah, I'm on my way to Neiman. Shawty tell me that she love me, but she still can't have my semen. Mama tell me I got demons, cause I'm riding in the deep. Grease. Always praying for my brother, cause that boy, he be too greasy. Plain Jane Paddock on my wrist and on my chest, I'm BVV. Let's say a prayer for my Brody, he is slime, yeah, for free. Let's say a prayer for my Brody, he is slime, yeah, for free. I bet I'm there when you need me, but tell me, is you there for me? I need a bust down on my wrist, I'm charging 24 feet. I tell my baby that I love her and I'm thankful for her features.
waves.
Wait, man, wait. Cabo. If you come at my brother, that ain't no one-on-one. You gon' have to see me with or without a gun. We came up from poverty, shit, we still have fun. We move around these streets cause we needed our fun. I've been told my mama we was the chosen ones. Can't forget about my brothers that came from different blood. For my bros, I go crazy, I'm dumping out on run. I'm passionate about my calling, soon you gon' see a song. Can't waste time, got a lot of ideas like sure, gotta go record it. I'm a side nigga, I kill that, be my nigga, then go report it. Dog, stop playing with that, P bag it up if you ain't gon' smoke it. Nigga, stop playing with that, key scale it up if you ain't gon' snort it. I told all of my niggas that we all finna ball. Don't listen to them haters saying that we don't fall. We all part regardless. Wilson and Spartan, talk up before you started. New Porsche nigga do spoiler, yeah. And I've been patient for this. To catch a fuck nigga slip. Only hollow tips in the clip. Trippin' think that I won't hit him. Gotta spit it. Brand new magazines, gotta fill up. All the straps next to the T. In the coupe, I'm on my brother.